Hello guys, welcome to Meze Tech Hub. These are Microsoft Word series. Today we are going to discuss on the course outline for our Microsoft Word tutorial. First, we begin with an introduction to Microsoft Word by studying the overview of Microsoft Word, learning how to create and save documents, and also understanding the user's interface. We also move to creating and editing documents. Under this one, we are going to create new documents, open and close documents, save and also print documents. We are going to edit text and also format text. We're also going to learn under formatting document, paragraph formatting, line and paragraph breaks, page layout, header and footers, and also section breaks. We'll also move into working with images and graphics. We'll learn how to insert image, resize and format image, add captions and borders, work with shapes and graphics. We're also going to learn about tables and charts, how to create tables, format tables, create charts, and also format charts. Then finally, we are going to learn how to proofread and edit our document, check for grammar and spellings, and then printing and sharing of our documents. Stay tuned for a wonderful tutorial that will be coming your way. All you need to do is to like the page, like the videos, put a comment. You can ask your questions, invite friends, share, tag your friends to come and learn, tag your siblings, tag your children to come and learn. It is for all age brackets. There is no age limit to this. Thank you.